All right, so we're ready to run our sample on TLC for part 1 of the lab handout. So we have our unknown number 3 sample in our vial here. What we're going to do is take a TLC spotter, dip it into the unknown solution that contains our unknown compounds. And what you're going to do is spot it once on each of these 5 TLC plates. All you have to do is press down once on the line that you drew at the baseline, on that one, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So all these TLC plates are ready to be placed into the solvent chambers and run. All right, so we have our plates in our solvent chambers. They're currently running. You can see the solvent moving up the TLC plate in each vial. These are the different solvent combinations. So we have 25% hexane, 75% acetone, 100% acetone, 100% hexanes, 50-50, and then 75% hexanes, 25% acetone. And ideally, the spots are going to move up different distances up the TLC plate due to the different solvent polarities that are actually in the solvent chambers. All right, so once the solvent line gets pretty close to the top of the TLC plate, we remove it from the solvent chamber, and then very quickly we would mark it with a pencil as to how high the solvent line is. And then I annotated this TLC plate to read that it was the 50-50 mixture. Then what we would do is shine UV light on the TLC plate to illuminate it. And wherever there were compounds that traveled up the TLC plate at different spots, we would see a dark spot there. And that represents a compound that moved up a certain distance up the TLC plate. And so what we would do is we would circle these spots with pencil so that once we turn the UV light off, you could still see where the spots traveled. And so we did this for all 5 solvent combinations. For part 1, we circled where the spots moved up the TLC plate, if they moved at all. And we've recorded this on the handout that you are looking at. And so what you would want to do is analyze that data, calculate the RF values for the different spots using a ruler, and then we can move on to part 2.